Why do high-ranking officials threaten the integrity of our elections? Zimbabwe's democracy hangs in the balance. Advocate Thabani Mpofu has issued a stern warning to Zimbabwe National Army Commander, Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe. Sanyatwe has 7 days to retract his statements advocating for command voting to secure ZANU-PF's rule. Mpofu claims these comments blatantly violate the Constitution, specifically Sections 208, 2, and 55, along with the Electoral and Defense Acts. Such statements undermine the rule of law and the very foundation of our democratic processes. Command voting is not just a violation, it's a direct attack on our freedom. Zimbabweans deserve fair elections, not ones dictated by military influence. The call for retraction is not just about words, it's about protecting our democracy. Will Lieutenant General Sanyatwe comply, or will our constitutional integrity be further compromised? Stay informed, stay vigilant, and let your voice be heard. Zimbabwe's future depends on it.